Hello everyone, welcome to Best GIS Tutorial YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. In today's lecture, you will learn about how to download surface water data for the whole world. Using this data, you will be able to conduct various spatial analysis such as flood-prone area mapping, wetland mapping, and identification of lake, ponds, and also drought monitoring and associated other analysis. This data not only show surface water location, but it also show dynamic and development along the time since 1984. So let's start the procedure from beginning, that how to download surface water data of any area or for any location of the whole world. So first go to Google and Google search here Global Surface Water Explorer. Here you can see that Global Water Surface Explorer. After that, click on this link. If you are not able to download or search here in Google, I will put the link in description box. After that, you will see this interface. Here now click on Explorer. Now in this window dialog box, here you click on this Explorer. After that, you will see this interface such like that, and here you will find your study area location for which area you want to download surface water data. Let's suppose I want to download it for this region. Here you can see that area. Now here you can see, click anywhere on the map to obtain temporal profile chart for that location. So this is the data, water occurrence data is here. You can see that we just on or off it, we on that, and here is the information about that data. Here the water occurrence data set show where surface water conduct between 1984 and 2020 and provide information concerning overall water dynamics. Here you can see that, read this dialog box carefully, and here you can, I will show you the method maximum water extent from 1984 to 2020 background layer. Here if I click on that one, Earth time lapse, and here you can see that the data creation. Now I will show you the world map. Here you can see that the data is like that, and here is the satellite data. Here you can see that, and now here is the white background layers. These are the water transitions. Here you can see that the blue, dark blue color show permanent color of water, and now there is new permanent, and these all are the color you want to check it further. Now you will see that water occurrence change intensity at, we will on this and wait for that. Now here you can see that here is the water occurrence change intensity. Now you can also see for their earth time lapse and for the world map background layers. You can change it from here. There are 4 types of background layer, and here is the white. Now off that one, and here is the water seasonality for 2020. Here you can see that Now check the satellite background layer. Here you see that world map and Earth Explorer. Now let's see this one, annual water recurrence. Annual water recurrence will show. Here is the information of each layer. If you want to click on that, here is the information of the bed. As for the occurrence, the recurrence is expressed as a percentage, but unlike the occurrence map of recurrence map is not necessarily computed on the full achieved since 1984 to 2020. You will read this box carefully. If you want to need this download link, I will show you how to download this all type of data. So now we are moving toward how to download this type of data. Now we will come back to our previous tab. Here you can see that such type of data you will download. Here you can see that it is right, all data are free and open, and get them from here. Click on that. After that, you will see here is the new data set from 1984 to 2020 is available to download. From there you can download the data. Here you can see that, read these all carefully. Here is the license and here is the citation. If you want to click on data user guides, here is the data user guide. You can also read this and download this user guide. It will be help whenever you want to work on that type of data. Let's see, open that. Here is the background of the Joint Research Search and Global Surface Water Data User Guide. Here you will download this link from here. Also download it. Now save. Now go to here, the data download option. You can see the Global Surface Water Explorer. The Global Surface Water Explorer is simply web mapping tools that show all the water dataset and allow user to navigate the global visualizer, the water dataset without installing any software. You can see that. Now data downloaded. Currently all of the map dataset are available to download. Here is such that occurrence, change, seasonality, reoccurrence, transitions and maximum extent. Here you can see. Now if you want to download this data, now you will select the box, or here you can see that the global surface dataset available download in the 10 by 10 from the map showing below. Click on the tile to show the list of the available dataset. Now we will select one tile. Let's suppose I want to select this tile, and here you can see that it's shaded. Now I will download the data only for that tile which is selected. Here you can see that here is the occurrence data, water occurrence. Here is the change, intensity change. Here is the seasonality change. Here is the reoccurrence. Here is the transition data. Here is the maximum extent data. Now let's suppose I want to download the occurrence of surface water. Here click on this link to download the data. Here you can see that the data is proceed to download. So I will show you that this important dataset occurrence. Here is, you can see that here is the dataset for quantum GIS and for ArcGIS. We will download the both data with the time. Now I want to download this one, and I will to show you how to download this. So click on that link. Here you can see this data is also downloaded. Now wait for that. After that I will show you in GIS software. Wait for the download. Now the data is downloaded. Now go to folder, show data and folder. Here you can see that. Now copy the data. Copy it. paste it in desired folder. Here paste the data. Now open GIS software and add this data to GIS software. Now here go to add data and go to desired folder and add the data. Yes. Here is the water surface occurrence data. I add this data in GIS software for my own study area. I add the another type of data here, that one. Add also this one. Wait for that. Now you can see that we download this type of data. Here you can see is the color ramp of data. Now if you want to download data for your own study area, and you can easily download from Global Surface Water Explorer. I hope you will learn that how to download data from that website. Thank you.